Hello, everyone. This is Johnny with What's Next, and this is Johnny's Kitchen. I know I've been away for a while, just working in Arizona with my job for the past 10 months, and now I'm back in the kitchen. So let's go. Okay, guys, we're going to continue our series that Lakeisha started a while back. Family meals that you can cook in 30 minutes or less. So today we're going to make our chicken tinga enchiladas. I don't know if you watched my previous video that I made last year where I made chicken tinga tacos, but they came out very well. So we're gonna take that to the next level and do enchiladas in the same version. So the ingredients you're gonna need for this is gonna be our salsa. We're also gonna have our corn tortillas, our Oda Paso red enchilada sauce, our blended fiesta cheese, and we have our rotisserie chicken from Walmart that's already been pulled apart off the bone and everything and packaged for us, guys. So make it easier. So you look at all this here, you say, how can you make a family meal? So we're gonna show you guys right now. So the first step we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna put it in the pot, and a lot of these pieces are kind of big and bulky, a little chunky. So you might want to break them up a little bit, because you are making enchiladas. So you kind of want to make sure that they fit in the tortilla and they're not super fat or anything like that. So we're gonna break up the big pieces as I'm doing right now. You guys will be amazed how easy this is going to be and how quick. I mean, you're looking at, we can probably make about 20 plus enchiladas with these ingredients here, with this amount of chicken. And you can kind of fool the kids or your spouse and say, man, I slaved over an hour making these enchiladas for you guys, which we all know the real deal. It'd be our little secret. All right, so getting it going here. I don't want you guys to sit here and watching me do this the whole time. So once I get the rest of the chicken all broken up, I'll come back with the next ingredient and next step. All right, so we're back with the chicken. It's all shredded up and ground up. So we broke down the big pieces to make it a little more manageable for the enchiladas. All right, so all of the ingredients and they're gonna be in the description. So currently this is 2 pounds of chicken. So judge it by the size of your family, guys. So we got a family of 6 here, so we're gonna need quite a bit more than most people do based on the size of your family. So now we're gonna go with the salsa. We're gonna add 2 cups of salsa to the chicken. And if you like it real saucy, you can add more. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna mix it up, make sure it's coated. And I may add another cup. Let's see how this comes out here. I feel like 2 cups is gonna be enough, it looks like. So you wanna make sure you get move it around, make sure you get every piece of meat coated with the salsa. That smells good. You can smell it already. And what's good about using the salsa, it's already got all the stuff like the peppers and the onion and the tomato, along with the mild seasoning. This one's actually the mild because I usually do hot, but Keisha was telling me, man, why you make everything so hot? So we're gonna go with the medium today, guys. But you can make it hot as you like. You can go with mild, you can go with hot, or you can go with just the regular salsa. Or don't forget the medium. You can go with the medium as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna add 1 more cup of salsa. A little more chicken than I normally use. So we're gonna add another cup to it. And like I said, we'll have everything in the description. All right, so you see that there? Everything looks nice and coated. So we're gonna cut away here and go to the next step, and we'll come right back. So next steps, guys, we're gonna bring it to like a kind of blend everything together with a little heat. So we're gonna put on like a medium heat, And we're kind of just going to stir it up now because remember, chicken's already cooked. So we're just going to warm it up and kind of blend up everything together, the sauce and the chicken all together, so we can have that flavor in every single bite of the chicken. So we're going to do this for about 5 minutes. And once we get that going, we'll be back with the next step for you guys. See you soon. As you can see, our chicken is all nice and done. Everything's blended together. So now we're going to go ahead and soften up the tortillas so we can start getting ready to roll our enchiladas. So we're going to have the grease set to about a little bit less than medium high. I'm going to coat the whole tortilla. Don't leave it there too long. We're just trying to soften it up. And we'll make sure we drain all the vegetable oil out off the tortilla before we put it on our plate. And we're going to do this repeatedly until we have the desired quantity that we're going to make. So here's one more. Just enough to get it coated. You don't want to fry it or make chips out of it or anything like that. It's just nothing there to get it coated and soften it up. All right, guys. So now we're going to go to the next step, which we're going to take our tortillas and we're going to put them in the dish, and we're going to go ahead and roll our enchilada. So first, we're going to grab a scoop of the chicken. And you're gonna grab some cheese. Now, I like a lot of cheese in mine. You can put as much cheese as you like. If you like less cheese or more cheese, it's up to you. So we're gonna grab enough hefty portion of cheese as you can see there, and we're gonna roll it. I'm gonna grab the next one. Grab another scoop of our chicken. Grab some more cheese. All right, so grab the next one. I got 2 dishes here, guys. So I'll make the first dish for you guys for the video, and then I'll make this second dish off camera. So anyway, just gonna show you guys how to prepare them and roll them. All right, guys, so keep on doing that till you fill up the dish, and we'll be back with the next step. All right, guys, so here with the next step here. So everything's all rolled. You see I made a couple of fat ones there. I actually broke them open. That's going to be some nice, meaty, thick enchiladas there. So now we're going to take the cheese. We're going to cover the top. Try to get the whole enchilada covered with the cheese so that we have cheese on the surface of the whole enchilada. Get the little back edges and the corners as well. All right. More. Okay. So everything appears to be coated. So now we got the cheese on top, and all the enchiladas are covered with cheese all the way to the ends. We're gonna add our red sauce now. So we're gonna take the red sauce and just you can add as much as you like. Like I like red sauce, and I like to add a little more salsa on top as well. So just going back and forth to try to make sure you get some red sauce on every enchilada. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like. I try to get every enchilada with at least a layer of the sauce. Go back around the edges. All right. And so you can stop right there with just the red sauce. But me, I like to add a little salsa on top to mix it with the red sauce. So this is gonna look a little unprofessional because I'm pouring it out of the jar, out of the bottle. So, but I'll try to sprinkle a little bit of the salsa on there so you get that salsa flavor inside and out. Not too much, it's enough to add a little extra flavor to it. All right, so now we're gonna do here. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350. We're gonna put these in for about 5 to 7 minutes, maybe 10, just to kind of get the cheese to melt inside and out and to blend all the flavors together. Okay, guys, we're back after 10 minutes in the oven on 350. We are done and ready to taste. So let's scoop out a couple here. Let's get one at a time here. Well, we just use one right now. All that cheese there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut it down the middle, kind of open it up a little bit. So you see that all that chicken and cheese blended together. So now we're gonna go ahead and taste it. What we want. Came out of the oven. That's really good, guys. I'm not just saying that because I made it. This is very, very good. Now, the 2 pounds of chicken that we used, I was able to make 24 enchiladas. So based off your family, so 1 pound would make about 12. So once again, it's just based on your family, your size. And this is really good. Sorry, guys. Wow. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Let everybody know how yours came out. I'd like to know how that was. So please like, subscribe to What's Next. This is Johnny and Lakeisha with What's Next, and another episode of Johnny's Kitchen.